How to manage subscription in DataCamp. Are you guys facing issues to manage your subscriptions in DataCamp website? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open browser on a laptop or mobile devices. Now just simply search DataCamp website. After you enter the DataCamp website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. Once you get logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll be able to view your profile icon. Just simply tap on profile icon, then tap on account settings. After you click on account settings, from here select subscription or billing section, which is usually located at the left side of your screen. Click on subscription. After you click on subscription, you will be able to view your current plan, renewal date, and payment method. If you want to upgrade, downgrade, or cancel your subscription, simply choose the appropriate option. You can also update your payment details from this page. After making changes, make sure to confirm them to ensure your subscription settings are updated. DataCamp will send you a confirmation email about any adjustments you have made. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna manage subscription in DataCamp. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.